Today's class we discuss about the food items and food components here, whatever you are seeing, and this is important for first chapter. And let us select this. Here you can see a tabular column is there here. Food items and food components, rice, starch. These food components you need to fill by seeing that previous slide here, and the previous slide is important about meals plate is there. So have a look in your textbook, and this you need to perform in your classwork or running notes, whatever you are maintaining here. So rice and starch, that means starch is present in rice. Similarly here dal, pulses, meat. Here protein is present. Vegetables, minerals and vitamins. Ghee, butter, oil, fats are present. And vegetables, fruits, fiber. And fruits, vegetables, water. Like this, you need to fill this tabular column. Understood? Usually, in a daily diet, we will be seeing different kinds of foods materials will be there. Say, for example, protein and vitamins, minerals, all the 7 components of food. If they are present, means it is okay. Then we can call it as a balanced diet. Understood? And make your diet a balanced one here. Taking green salads and vegetables every day. Taking foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. adequately. Taking a bit of fat, let it be oil, ghee or butter, anything. Eat seasonal seasonable fruits. That means every season whatever fruits we are getting, that we need to eat. Understood? In India, for every season we will be, not only every season, every 2 months one new fruit will be getting into the market here, and only the regional foods you need to eat. Understood? Dragon fruit, everyone will be saying here. So that is foreign fruit. So our body is not designed to eat that from ancient times. Our forefathers have not eaten that food, so that genes won't be there in our body to digest that food. And here locality foods only we need to eat. Understood? And don't forget to supplement your daily diet with green salads and vegetables. Vegetables are most important. If you see here in this, you can see different kinds of fruits, vegetables are there in this food meal, and rice little amount, and this fiber rich food chapati is here. And do you know dry fruits like dates, palms, raisins, cashew nuts, pistas, pistachios, and also keep us body healthy. Dry fruits usually many people will be eating. For example, for any festival, sweets will be preparing in Indian festivals. So in every sweet, maximum these dry fruits are made. Can you see? Have you realized that? Have you eaten these dry fruits? Have you eaten almonds, cashews, apricots, pistachios, dates, dry dates, kismis? These kind of dry fruits, if you are eating, means minerals will be getting. How we need to eat? All at a time? No. Almonds means at least only 4. Cashew means at least 2. Apricots 1. Pistachios 5. Dates 5. And this dry dates 5. And next kishmish nearly 10. So like that, what I said in the count, that per day if you eat means enough. For example, some people will be eating nearly whole dry fruits at a time. Whole dry fruits at a time if you are eating means your body will digest the food, but you are taking excess than the thing. For example, if your body is able to take a glass full of water, then if you are filling more and more water, excess will be flown outside. Same like that, your body needs only 4 to 5 seeds of these almonds. If you are eating more means your kidneys will be removing that proteins from your body. So then it becomes useless only. Understood? So that is the thing here. And dry fruits always you need to eat only required elements. And when you come to this balanced diet food, make sure that rice, chapati, different curries you are eating daily. Understood? On the single plate you cannot eat here, but at least on the morning time one curry, night time one curry, or one chapati, one like that. If you are combining different kinds of foods in a day means, then it is said to be as balanced food. Understood? The next one here you will be having about a balanced diet. How to approach here? Balanced diet is cheap indeed. Scientists have found out that a balanced diet need not necessarily be costly. Everyone can afford it, even the poor. If a person eats dal, rice, rotis, green vegetables, little oil and jaggery, all the food requirements of the body. So how much it will take? Dal, we know, rotis, rice, green vegetables, little oil, ghee, and jaggery for iron and minerals. So if we are eating this means yes, we are now with a correct balanced diet only. And if we just think about one more thing here, the balanced diet is of different kinds of food. If you're not taking means the balanced diet is not good enough. If you're not eating as many things, good foods, if you're not eating means that is not a balanced diet. Understood? So this will also helps you sometimes stomach pain and frequent urine formation and frequent motions you will be getting. So these are all different kinds of things. Now here we have some questions also. Understood? Let us see some questions. Do you know which foods are uh, wait? Do you know that here some of the questions are there? Which foods are to be eaten moderately, adequately, plenty, and sparingly? So more what we can eat, little what we can eat, and more and more what we can eat, and very little which foods we need to eat. First one, foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. should be taken adequately. Understood? Adequately means here how much it is sufficient. That much is enough. Milk, a glass is enough. Pulses, a cup is enough. Cereals, even a bowl, little bowl is enough. Must be taken. Fruits, leafy vegetables, and other vegetables should be used plenty. Daily you need to eat fruits, leafy vegetables, much and much. Cooking oils and animal foods should be used moderately. Little only. Animal foods means here meat, egg, like that. So can be used moderately. Vanaspati, ghee, butter, cheese must be used sparingly. Understood? So sparingly means here very, very, very little. Vanaspati is not good for body. Leave it. Cheese also is not good for our body. Leave that. Butter and ghee is always preferred. Butter and ghee is always preferred. And when comes to favorite foods here, these foods are known as world famous foods. Understood? World famous foods, these are all. Even everyone can find these kind of foods. Have you seen how much neatly decorated here? Different kinds of things are decorated here, and this is known as world famous pizza. Understood? Very world famous pizza. And the father of this pizza, that means the father nation of this pizza is Italy. Now India only, many members are eating. And here you can see burger, and this five, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 5 story building is there here. At a time we need to eat into our mouth only, at a time directly. There is no any gap. You can see whatever dustbin are there here in the kitchen, that is thrown here and kept a neat breads. Understood? These kind of irregular foods are called as junk foods. That's why now the topic is about junk foods. If you are eating only pizzas and sandwiches daily, what will happen? Your body is being deprived of the other food substances. Junk food causes damages to your digestive system. It is better to avoid junk foods. Discuss in the groups to collect different types of information of the junk foods that are causing dangerous and harmful effects to our body. So if you are preparing at your home these foods means it is okay, but outside if you are eating means we cannot give guarantee. Bread is prepared with a very old flour, and these are all used in ice. That means in the refrigerator will be kept for nearly many months. From America they will be transported, and such that what will happen here, your health will be spoiled. Understood? So it is not supposed to eat these kind of food materials. So have a look whenever you are eating these kind of things. Understood? And one more thing here, it is that in tomorrow's class we discuss about what are the important topics are there, and some conclusions also we shall discuss here. Understood? This is all for today. Have a good day ahead.